Hey folks, welcome back to the Mountain Nights. My name is Shahid. Today we will be talking about choosing the right climbing partner. If I have to choose a climbing partner, here are a few things that I will take into consideration. First of all, I want him to be physically fit. His physical fitness must be of very high order. Simultaneously, he should be mentally fit. If he is physically fit and mentally weak, it's of no use to me as far as the mountaineering is concerned. Whereas he is mentally strong and physically unfit, still it is of no use. So he must be physically as well as mentally strong equally. Next comes your technical abilities. He or she must be sound in technical skills of mountaineering. He should be capable of carrying out technical skills, technical tasks under pressure, under high altitude effect. He should be capable of search and rescue. He should be capable of communication skills. His medical skills should be up to the mark. And all the miscellaneous associated with outdoor and mountaineering should be up to the mark. Next is the temperament. He should be capable of handling pressure and stress. If he has the right temperament, he will be able to take right decisions, cooperate, and he will be able to take initiatives. Leadership qualities. Leadership is very important. If you are choosing your partner as a climbing partner, observe him closely. Analyze what are his leadership qualities and what is the depth of those qualities. Now comes a very important part, that is camaraderie. Camaraderie is something that I will not compromise upon at any cost, because camaraderie is all about trust. If I am climbing and if I have to give my belayer responsibility of belaying me, I must have absolute trust on his not only belaying abilities but also on his mental aptitude. I must have absolute trust that my life is in safe hands, because belayer is responsible for the safety of climber to quite a large extent. And all these aspects must be vice versa. So belayer and climber must have trust on each other to absolute degree. Alright, now many people have asked, can we go solo for climbing? Well, you can definitely go for solo climbing, but you need to understand the consequences of the same. When you are solo, you must know what are the problems that you can face. And once you know what are the problems that you can face, you must know how to negotiate them, how to overcome them, and how to avoid them above all. There are many renowned climbers, those who have existed in the past and those who still exist, and they climb solo. And they have been climbing solo since very long time, because they are capable of doing it, they are experienced, they know what are the consequences, and they know how to deal with those consequences. Like I said, it has high consequences. Now many climbers of high merit have lost their life while solo climbing. Now, if same thing happens with you, in case you meet an accident, you fall down or you enter into a crevasse, being solo individual, there will be nobody to help you. There will be nobody to send a message in the civilized location about the accident. Nobody will know where the accident happened and what is the spot where the individuals need to rescue you from. So you're on your own, you're lost. Many times people have not been able to be recovered, and sometimes people have been able to recover the dead bodies. So the consequences are high. So if you are confident enough that you can manage these things, you can deal with the adverse effects and you can avoid them, so solo climbing is possible. But from my side, I would always advise that you take safety as your paramount concern, be it solo or be it with a partner. If you go solo, you must not compromise upon your safety, because you will gain nothing out of it if you compromise upon safety. And if you go with your climbing partner, apart from all the aspects that I just talked about, you must take care of your personal safety and you must take care of your personal responsibilities at the same time. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like these kind of videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment and engage with us. We will be back. Thank you.